Look at this! Look at the baby goat! Let's go in.
If you want to hold the bigger one, you can hold that one. That one's way bigger.
The baby goat!
I have, yeah. He's pretty comfortable.
I'll get him next. Yeah. He's like one headbutt away.
He's never headbutted a person.
The llama.
I mean, I'll hold it right now.
This is so cool. Carter, a chicken.
I know, I want to say hello to the chicken, but I feel like he might be. Hello.
Hello.
Well, they don't. He might headbutt you. He's got horns, too.
Hello, Mr. Chicken.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, the rooster. Careful.
He's gonna peck you. Oh, he's looking at you like, what the hell?
And there's a couple ducks over here.
Oh, he's a big boy.
Carter, duck.
I know. Yeah, I guess the llama and the duck.
I wanted to take a photo. You would take a picture of you with the goat? That's a sheep. I know. That's good. That's a sheep. That's a sheep. Goats have horns. And a weird tail.
Hello.
It's the real life.
It's the real life long banana.
Careful. Do you think he's fake? This is real.
No, really?
No, I don't want to touch them. I want to touch my hand. Oh, the chicken.
Oh no, he knows that. The little one is so cute. Yeah, he's sticking his head out. A lot of goats. And like one of the goats has really? I like how he sits. Isn't it funny? His legs are so funny. How'd you do that? Found out he soft.
He's very soft.
Looking for my shoulder to lie down on. And when I take him off, he gets very upset. Same thing.
No.
You're okay. Baby.
Oh, Carter's fine.
Carter, this is your toy.
Yes, so.
Name the Carter. You want to hold it? Oh, no. No.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
You want to hold him?
He's gonna start yelling.
You might. You should.
No.
No.
Hold it like this. want to put this arm kind of. And then just be careful with his mouth right here. He's rich. He's like,
Oh.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh. You laugh. He's like, oh.
Haha, you're funny.
And his name is George with a British accent.
George. George.
And I thought he was balding, but he. Are you want to take him or you want?
Yeah.
So I thought this was him just balding. I thought he was already old. But he's not. He's just completely turning white. His whole undercoat is white.
Wow. So he's
Oh,
full size?
No. He is 8 weeks.
So cute.
Instantly looking for my shoulder.
Yeah.
We literally. We took him out. We didn't take him out.
Oh.
Introduced ourselves.
Oh.
They're going at it.
That's how they play. They'll headbutt each other. When it's head on head, that's they're playing. So they're playing right now. If they do like a cheap body shot, they're fighting each other.
Okay. They're like hockey players.
Aye.
George talking?
Yeah.
He knows George. Everyone knows George.
Whoa.
You're not like it.
So he just like